his hand to take her to the condo. Their condo was absolutely beautiful, or I should say townhome. They are staying on North Padre Island on Cabana Street. It was 3 levels. The first level had a seating area, a kitchen with a large island, 2 microwaves, coffee pot, and a wet bar. It had a nice dining table with a foosball table, a living room with a large TV, and Wii to play as well. This property is also on the canal. It had a private pool and a grill outside. There were a lot of places to lay and relax, and it was also on turf, so you wouldn't have any grass in the pool. You also had a half bathroom right next to the kitchen. On the second level, you had 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. All the bedrooms had balconies. The first bedroom had a queen-size bed. The second bedroom had bunk beds and a trundle, so you could sleep multiple people in this room. All bedrooms had TVs. You also had a laundry room on this level.
Oh, another nice bedroom. Bathroom with a bathtub. That's what I'm talking about. What's over here?
Over here.
Another bedroom. Beautiful. Nice size closet. Gorgeous shower. This is very nice.
The master bedroom also had the balcony that gave you a view of the canal and of your pool. You also got a great sunset. Going up to the 3rd level and the final level have a large balcony. The balcony had the best view in the entire house and lots of places to sit and enjoy while you are sipping your coffee or a glass of wine. It even had a half bathroom, a TV, and a wet bar with a blender and a fridge. I was shocked.
Does it cost a little bit of money to stay here?
Oh yeah. Yeah,
We thought
it
3
did.
bedrooms. The
Wow.
kids could sleep downstairs if you and Jason and Barb, you and Jason and Palmer want to stay in one of the rooms.
This is so impressive.
Steve! Wow. Ooh, I just saw a fish.
Oh yeah, they jump a lot.
Palmer, Steve, and Lizzie were getting it at that foosball game. It was fun watching them.
Oh, see, you move these in there.
There you go.
Put it back in here. Put it. Oh, watch this.